Good morning, my dear friends around the world, in Europe, Oceania, Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. Hope you're having a great month of March. Yes, we're still in the month of March. It seems that the year is floating and it's moving fast, so to speak. Um, People normally at the beginning of the year they set up their New Year's resolutions. I like to apologize about any little noise that you may or a sound that you may get, whether it's a car moving, and because currently I'm recording close to the main street, so to speak, but hopefully we'll have a great episode ahead. 2026 has been a very interesting month in terms of technological landscape, and the world is changing with a faster pace. But politics also, they need to catch up with these new innovative technologies, these imaging technologies, and any other future technologies that will be developed. Policymakers, the politicians, the policymakers, they need to align their policies so that they can able to regulate these new inventions without stifling the true power of innovation, because we need new technologies to make sure that they enhance our society and to make sure that as humanity we transcend beyond the current levels of our society. We need to move forward and take our humanity to type 1 civilization and its associating technologies. We need to take our humanity to Kardashev scale type 2 civilization to ensure that we've colonized various planets within our solar system, so to speak. We've also come up with great new technologies of type 2, such as star lifting or stellar engineering and other grand and beautiful technologies of type 2 civilization, such as Dyson sphere, so to speak. But today we'll tackle a different topic or a section. We'll be speaking about the politics of the future. It's very fundamental for us to comprehend the politics of the future and how the world, the universe itself, might change as we implement politics of the future. Today we'll tackle this topic: real-time governance through predictive analytics. That is the name of our episode and our tackle. The topic that we'll tackle for today is real-time governance through predictive analytics. Let's continue and dive in, my friends. Real-time governance through predictive analytics is the evolution of government from reactive systems into anticipatory intelligence networks, sorry, where decisions are made dynamically based on continuous data flows and future projections rather than the past reports. Here's a deep structured breakdown. Number one, what it means. Real-time governance uses predictive analytics such as AI, big data, and statistical modeling. Real-time governance monitors society continuously, forecast future events, and trigger immediate policy and operational responses. Instead of asking what happened, governments ask what is about to happen and how do we act before it does. Number two, core technologies behind it. Real-time governance depends on a fusion of advanced systems, of course, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. Algorithms detect patterns, anomalies, and emerging risks. Internet of Things, IoT. Sensors in cities track traffic flow, traffic flow, air quality, energy usage, public movement. Big data infrastructure. Massive datasets from healthcare systems, financial transactions, social services, and communication networks. Cloud and edge computing ensures low latency processing for instant decision making. Number three, predictive analytics in action. Governments can forecast and act in public health, predictive disease outbreaks before they spread. Still remember, my friends, what transpired in the year 2020 with the emergence of the global pandemic, COVID-19. It seems that it has taken or it took the world by surprise. Nations or governments around the world were unprepared to mitigate and tackle the COVID-19 pandemic. But with these predictive analytics in terms of governance, it can help to predict those pandemics or any other disease outbreaks within a particular community, particular city, particular state, or nation before they spread across. Alright, still within public health, allocate hospital resources dynamically. Example, early detection models during pandemics. Of course, as I stipulated before. These real-time governance systems or analytics can also help in urban management, smart cities, predict traffic congestion, adjust signals in real time, forecast energy demand, balance power grids. In economic stability, detect markets instabilities early, predict unemployed sparks, trigger support programs. In crime prevention, identify high-risk zones using behavioral and historical data. Deploy law enforcement proactively. Number 4, real-time decision loops. The system operates in continuous cycles. Number 1 or 4.1, data collection, sensors, platforms, and institutions. 4.2, analysis, AI models detect patterns. 4.3, prediction, future scenarios generated. 4.4, decision, automated or human assisted. 4.5, action, policy adjustment or intervention. This creates a living governance system. Number 5, real-world examples. Some governments are already moving towards this model. In Singapore, uses predictive systems for traffic, public safety, and urban planning. In Dubai, AI-driven governance initiatives and smart city infrastructure. In Estonia, digital governance with automated services and data integration. Number 6, the benefits. Speed. Decisions happen instantly, not months later. Efficiency. Resources are allocated exactly where needed. Prevention of a reaction. Stop crises before they escalate. Personalization. Policies can adopt or adapt to individual or community needs. Number 7, risks and challenges. Privacy concerns. Mass data collection may lead to surveillance overreach. Algorithmic bias. Biased data and unfair decisions at scale. Over-automation. Too much reliance on AI could reduce human judgment. Accountability. Who is responsible when an algorithm makes a mistake? Number 8, the future autonomous governance. The next phase is semi or fully autonomous governance systems. AI might propose laws, simulate outcomes before implementation, continuously optimizes policies. This aligns with emerging ideas like algorithmic constitutions, AI managed economies, personalized governance, or micro-governance per citizen. Number 9, philosophical shift. Real-time predictive governance transforms the nature of power. Old model authority reacts to reality. New model authority shapes future probability landscapes. Number 10, strategic insight. The countries and cities that master this will respond faster than crisis emerges, outperform others economically and maintain higher social stability. All right, my friends, that will be all that I will be sharing with you for today. Until next time, this is Luyanda, Elvis Mfilifil, your favorite science, technology, medical futurist, your favorite philosopher, your favorite analyst for the politics of the future, and your friend in an eternal quest of human transcendence beyond the current levels of civilization. Until next time, take care.